closer and I'll tell you. And people say, I wonder what you feed a plant like that. And then I say, well, come closer and I'll show you. Hey, you remind me of someone I just met yesterday. Now, I wish I had gotten their name before well, you know. I don't know about you, but I am starving. I hope you brought some lunch along with you. Unless there's a chance you'd like to be lunch?